you make me, and I hope that you will never have the blue Christmas tree. Alright, maraming salamat po.